Good morning students. Today we are going to start chapter 11. In chapter 11 in exercise 11.1. Chapter name is constructions. So in constructions open exercise 11.1. So first construction, to construct the bisector of a given angle. To construct the bisector of given angle. Given an angle ABC, we want to construct the bisector of given angle. Angle ABC is given. This one, clear? We have to bisect this angle. So steps of construction: taking B as center, and any radius, draw an arc to intersect ray BA. And BC at E and D. Radius, this one, and arc which cut BA at the point E and BC at the point D. Clear? Now, taking D and E as center, the radius more than half of DE. The radius more than half of DE. DE, it's more than half. You have to taking radius and draw arcs to intersect each other, say at F. Means D as center, draw an arc, and E as center, draw an arc which intersect each other at the point F. Clear? Draw the ray BF, which will be angle bisector of the given angle ABC. Clear? See again here. See here. Suppose angle ABC is given. You have to bisect this angle. Clear? So taking this point as a center, draw an arc which intersect both rays at 2 points, this point and at this point. Clear? Now taking these 2 points at center and length of arc more than these 2 points, and taking this point as a center, draw an arc here, and taking this point as center, draw an arc here. Both arcs cut at a point, join this to this, draw a ray. This will be the bisector of given angle. Clear? Next construction, to construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. So here line segment is AB. AB is the line segment. You have to perpendicularly bisect. You have to draw a perpendicular bisector of the given line segment. Clear? To draw, taking A and B as center and radius more than half of AB, Draw arc on both sides of the line segment AB. Let these arcs intersect each other at point P and Q. Join PQ. So PQ intersect AB at the point M, and line PMQ is the required perpendicular bisector of AB. Means line segment is given, you have to draw a perpendicular bisector. So consider an arc more than half of AB, and AS center, draw an arc here and here, both sides. Clear? And BS center, draw an arc here and here. Clear? Which intersects at point P and Q. Join P and Q, which will be the PQ will be the bisector of line segment AB. Clear? See again here separately. Suppose line segment AB is given. Clear? A line segment AB is given, and you have to draw a perpendicular bisector of this line segment. So taking an arc of more than half of AB, more than half of AB. Clear? And taking AS center, draw a arc and draw a arc on both sides of the line. Clear? AB is the line segment. Taking an arc more than half of AB and AS center, draw arc on both sides of the line segment, and BS center, draw arc on both sides, which intersect, suppose at P and Q. So PQ, join PQ, then PQ will be perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. Clear? Now third construction, to construct an angle of 60 degree at the initial point of a given ray. So here ray AB is given, you have to draw an angle of 60 degree. Clear? So taking a AS center and some radius, draw an arc of a circle which intersect AB at a point. Means AS center and taking an arc of any radius which intersect AB at a point D. Clear? Now taking D as center and with the same radius as before, draw an arc intersecting the previously drawn arc, say at E. Means taking D as center and draw an arc of same length, which cut the previous arc at the point E. Clear? So through the point E, draw a line. So this angle will be 60 degree. Clear? See here. draw a line taking one point as center and an arc of any radius. Draw a arc which intersect the given ray or given ray AB at point E, at point D, let. Clear? And arc of same length, taking arc of same length and D as center, cut the previous arc. Clear? Which cut the previous arc at point E. So draw a line from A to E. Draw a ray passing through the point E. So this angle will be 60 degree. Clear, students? Now here construct the angles of the following measurement. Suppose you have to draw an angle of 90 degree. So draw a ray, suppose ray AB. Clear? Now taking A as center and an arc of any radius, draw an arc which intersect AB at the point D, let. Clear? Now D as center and same arc, length of same arc, cut the previous arc, this type E. So this angle is 60 degree. Clear? Now E as center, again cut with same arc at point F. This angle will be 120. Clear? So here to here 60 degree and here to here again 60 degree. Now bisect this portion. To bisect this portion, taking E and F as a center. Clear? And taking an arc of any radius and from E and F as center, draw arcs which intersect at point G. Clear? Which will be intersect at point G. So AG will be 90 degree. Now see again. AB, then cut here, here and bisect this portion, this type. This angle will be right angle, means 90 degree. Clear? Now 30 degree. To draw 30 degree, firstly draw 60 degree. So same arc, cut here, which will be 60 degree. Clear? Now bisect this angle. Here to here you have to bisect. So taking B as center, draw an arc of any radius and from this point also same arc which intersect each other at a point. Join this, then this angle will be 30 degree. Clear? Now 75 degree. In 75 degree, draw a ray. 75 means 60 degree plus 15 degree. So Firstly draw 60 degree, 60 degree, clear, and this one (60°), 120°, clear. Now bisect this portion, then this will be 90°, clear. It means this portion is 30° and this portion is 60°. So you have to bisect this portion, clear. So taking center of this point and this point, an arc of any radius, draw two arcs which intersect at a point. So join this point so this angle will be 60 plus 15 means 75°. See again, (60°), 120°, clear. Bisect this portion, then you have 90°, clear. Now bisect hair to hair, this, then this angle will be 75°, because this angle is 60, this portion is 30° and its half is 15, so this angle will be 75°. Clear, students? So now you have to solve the questions of exercise 11.1. Okay students, thank you.